Okay, let's make a hexagon in SAMSON. So we're going to make a hexagon using hexagonal diamond, also sometimes called Lonsdaleite. And for designing molecular machines, the Lonsdaleite is a dream to work with compared to cubic diamond. Um, so here I have a small fragment of Lonsdaleite loaded. It's 3 layers deep. If you do not have a small fragment of Lonsdaleite, you can get one here at my repo. So go to more th uh, on GitHub, diamond parts, and then there's a folder called various where I have a couple little Lonsdaleite seeds you can download. So today I'm going to be using the hexagon moiety.xyz. So if you download that and load it in SAMSON, this is what it looks like. So to start, let's center it up. So well, let's rename it to start. So we'll just call it hexagon, and then let's go into the edit mode and we'll go align. Let's align it with the origin, and just to be extra sure to help us out with the extrude operations, we'll go align. Let's go align with z-axis like that. Keep it selected, and then next thing you want to do, I've turned on the move widget, so let's rotate it in z so that any edge is perpendicular to x like that. And then after that, let's enter the linear pattern editor like that. All right, and so this is going to determine the side edge of your hexagon. So let's enter this in. Let's enter 8 repeat units for this, and then we'll drag them out. Make sure we're getting good overlap. That looks pretty good. You can always right click, rotate, and check your Z offset. That's a good recommendation. And then if you want to quickly line your view up again, remember you can click the panel on the compass. Go ahead and confirm that. Let's select it again. Let's do another extrude operation, but this time let's go 16, and this time we're going to drag it in Y and a little bit X. So let's drag it over there like that, and let's check our Z offset. Z offset looks good. Line up, zoom out so we can see it. Looks good. Confirm that. Let's select it again and do one more extrude operation, but this time we're just going to go 2 like that. Okay, and drag it in X again. And this is the one I really need to check my Z offset because sometimes I get off. But that looks pretty good. So let's line it up again, confirm that. Okay, so now we have this little rhombus sheet of Lonsdaleite. Let's turn on the move widget one more time, select it, but also let's turn on snapping. So let's snap it 60 degrees when we rotate it, and let's rotate it in Z like that. Either way, you just want the points, the long points, to point up or down like that. And then all you have to do is go into turn on your select tool and count the rows. So never mind the equator row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll just get rid of the rest. And also, I recommend going into preferences and going into select and have deep selection turned on, especially for these small parts. It just selects everything into the screen at the same time, and it says slower, but I haven't encountered really any problems with what I've been doing. I've been doing quite a bit. So and then we'll cut it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and get rid of the rest. Go ahead like that. Okay, now we got a hexagon. That's pretty much it. And then if you want to add to it, then you probably want to skip this next step, but let's go ahead. We can add the hydrogens and minimize, and that's going to do its thing. It's pretty close on already to begin with, so you can actually stop it if you want. But that's a hexagon in SAMSON. It's a great tool for molecular machines, all types of parts. that I make have this sort of start with a hexagon. So it's a very valuable thing to know how to do. Thank you.